Hi everybody, and welcome to this guided meditation to help you attract in the love that you want. During this meditation, we are going to quantum leap to the timeline where you are in your dream relationship. I recommend that you listen to this daily for best results. Let's begin. Breathe in for 4 and out for 4. And breathe in for 4 and breathe out for 4. One last time, breathe in for 4 and breathe out for 4. Before we get into the visualization, I want you to remember a time where you felt so much love. That could be you felt it towards another person, you felt it from another person, you could have received a gift, you could have been in your favourite place. Just tap into a time where you felt so much love. What did that feel like? Where can you feel that love in your body? I want you to put a great big smile on your face and imagine feeling all of that love right now. Let it fill up every cell of your body. And I want you to just stay in that feeling for a moment. Keep smiling. How good does it feel to experience this much love? I want you to imagine that this love is shining out all around you. This golden light of love is radiating out from your whole body. It's going further and further. It's literally lighting up the whole room you're in right now. Imagine seeing this golden light coming directly from your heart center. Staying tapped into that feeling of love, we're going to imagine that with your eyes still closed, you've woke up and it's a Sunday morning. Your eyes aren't open yet, but you can feel how relaxed you are already. You can feel the crisp sheets on your skin. You can hear the birds chirping outside. You sink further into the pillow. And before you've even opened your eyes, you can feel the sunlight coming through the window. This is the perfect Sunday morning. As you sink into the pillow and you relax further, you feel an arm wrap around you. And this arm feels so familiar. You feel so loved, so protected, and so safe wrapped up in this arm. You put a big smile on your face because you know exactly whose arm this is. As you gently open your eyes, you see a face looking straight back at you. The most gorgeous eyes and a lovely smile. You have just woken up on the perfect Sunday morning with the love of your life. And you are so happy. Your heart fills up with joy as you stare back at the person that you love. Although this happens every Sunday, this is so normal for you now. You remember the days where you prayed for this moment. And you just take a second to think about how lucky you are that it's happening now. It's done. This is your reality. How does it feel knowing that this is your reality? How does it feel knowing that this came true? How does it feel to wake up on the perfect Sunday morning with the love of your life? Keep that smile on your face as you just dwell in the happiness of this moment. Keep that smile on your face and just gently remind yourself that this is done. This is your reality. This is yours. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. I'm going to gently count you out of the meditation now. But you're going to leave knowing that you have programmed your subconscious mind and that you have collapsed the time and space between you and your desired reality. You have just quantum leaped. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open your eyes. Whatever you impress on the subconscious mind will be expressed in your reality. Listen to this daily for best results and leave this meditation in the knowing state that it's already yours. Have a beautiful day.